Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I did receive the Hiya knitting sock knitting needles. Okay, these came super fast. Okay, and they came. I live in Canada, so they were shipped from the USA, and I believe it said New York. So I'm opening. See, it's nicely on Amazon. Oh wow! See, it's great to ship it. I reuse these pads because they're bubble, right? Why not? Okay, so when AliExpress, when my needles didn't arrive over a month, I went and ordered this 2mm knitting needles. Okay, they're very thin. Made in China. I really like Hiya. Oh, they send me markers as well. Well, this is nice. So this is extra gift. And then they send me these ample. Nice. Yeah, we always need stitch markers. Okay, so I'm going to start right away. I don't want to waste time because I can't wait. These are pretty thin. Oh, see these, when you compare it to, I'm automatically comparing it. Okay. See, can you see? They're smaller for some reason, but the wire here, the wire is longer. Okay, so I'm gonna knit with these. I'm just gonna move them to, you know, start knitting. I know they're pretty thin. I wish I ordered a thicker, because this is a 2.5, and this is a 2, which is very thin. Let's see how it's gonna. I don't want to start a brand new socks, then it would be another whip, which I have to finish. So I'll just continue with these. A couple of rows won't change anything. But you can see the difference, right? 2.5 and a 2. Big difference. Okay. So this is not my row that I don't do my increase. Oh, it's like a wire. It's really thin. And it is super sharp. And I paid 35 Canadian dollars. It's not American, and I did not pay custom fee. UPIO. It was my luck. Yeah, the wire bends easily compared to the other one. That's the number one. I noticed right away. It hasn't split so far, because the other needles, the AliExpress ones, are splitting like crazy, but this hasn't split anything. For 35, I could have bought 10 of these just to think about it. But you don't need 10 for knitting socks, right? That's another thing. Okay, yeah, these are nice as well. I'm going to give them that thumbs up for sure. I noticed it by the needle, how it's nice and smooth it's going. Yeah, I might finish with a 2. I think these 2 needles would be okay for me to knit socks. I'm not going to order. I thought I would go back and order from the AliExpress, but I like these Hiyas as well. They go nice and smooth. See, I notice it when I'm picking up the stitches. Yeah. And again, no split so far. I have knit so many stitches. Again, this wire is long, so that's helping a lot to knit. But this one, the AliExpress was really short, right? The wire. It wasn't long enough, so yeah, I notice it because when I'm bending. And this is light compared to the AliExpress. I really like this. Oh. Okay, let's see the third needle. Working with 3 needles. Okay, now I'm going to do my increase end. Just going to grab the third needle. See how it bends? This is my increase row. Did it split? No. Just looking, I think I split it, but no, it's not split. Yeah, it did split, so it's the yarn, I guess. It's not the needles. Yeah, the needles are really thin. Oh well, sometimes. I don't think I have never knit with number 2 before. Maybe that's why I'm having a little bit difficulty. But other than that, the needles are pretty good. I'm just knitting it up and seeing, and it's nice and pointy. Even it's nice and pointy. I like nice and pointy. It doesn't split as much as the other one. But other than that, yeah, it's nice and it bends. Okay, let me continue knitting a couple of rows, and I will come back to show you how it looks like so far. But other than that, it's nice. Okay, I've been knitting nonstop, and I really like these needles. The only problem is it's so thin. It's like a wire. Well, that's what I feel. The thing is, I haven't been knitting with number 2. I don't think I have ever. I think I do have needles. I'm not quite sure because I don't knit. Number 2 is pretty thin. Yeah, but I just love it, love it, love it. So I would highly recommend Hiya as well. Well, I like their number 4. I think I have 3.5. But other than that, it's tough to pick up the first stitch because the needle's being thin. Yeah. Would I go back and order these? No, I wouldn't order. I would go back and order the other AliExpress because it's way cheaper. And Yeah, these are really pointy. So I hope you like this unboxing and my review about Hiya Hiya number 2, the 2mm knitting needle. And I'm going to knit these with these needles, these socks, because I think the recommendation was a number 2 to 2.5, I believe. And this works nicely. And it doesn't split. No, the other one was splitting. I don't know. I'll get the hang of it, but other than that, it's just fantastic. Yeah, so I would highly recommend Hiya Hiya knitting socks. Again, the price is pretty high. If you can find these needles at your local yarn shop, I would recommend. I checked a couple here in Edmonton. They don't carry these needles, any of these needles. I didn't care about the brand. I just wanted to try it out to see how it works, but unfortunately they didn't. So that's why I had to order it through online. So I hope you like this review. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. Happy knitting! Gives a nice fabric.